everyone, welcome back to Slime Busters. Today we're going to be doing another one of the videos in our series, a food slime. In our theme, we're going to be making avocado slime. Yep, we're going to make some avocado slime. So I think this is going to be really fun. So please like and subscribe to Slime Busters if you want to see some more of these videos. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So, the first thing you will need in this video is a light green slime. This is our key lime slime that we used also in our watermelon slime tutorial. And then for this next slime, this is our hot cocoa slime or chicken egg brown slime that we used. And we just like to reuse our slimes for this video, for our videos. But these are the two slimes you're needing: a light green slime and a light brown slime. So let's just show you how to make this awesome slime. Alright, so Leah's gonna just do the tutorial now, and let's just get on with it.
Let's make it into the shape.
Yep, the shape of an avocado. Do you want to explain, like, the kind of shape they need, Leah?
No.
Okay, well, it should be kind of round at the top, and then it should get a little bit skinnier as it goes down, like that. Kind of almost looks like a pear. But here it is. It looks really great. Alright. So, continue on, Leah.
Some chicken slime?
Yeah, chicken egg, like a brown slime.
Put it into a ball.
Yep.
Make a hole. We'll fit it in. Put it in there. Now mix it up.
We're both going to be mixing this, but
I want to do something like that.
ooh, like a foam cup situation almost here.
I think it will turn green.
Yeah, Leah's thinking it'll turn green because there's more green. Leah's really great at slime, guys, so she knows all the tricks. Right, so we'll just be back when it's all mixed together. Alright, so this is how the slime turned out. Like they predicted, it's a green slime still. We're going to be calling it avocado cream. Name credits to @Red Slime on Instagram. So yeah, this is how it turned out. It turned out pretty great, a nice avocado-like color actually. So that's perfect. Alrighty, so that is the slime. Alright, so we decided to switch it up a little. I'm in this position because Leah's usually here, and she did like the mixing and everything earlier, but we decided to mix it up. But thank you guys for watching our avocado slime. I hope you enjoy this little series that we're doing.